For the fifth year in a row, the Brihad Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike BBMP budget will be presented without elected representatives. The budget scheduled for March 27 will be tabled by the Special Commissioner for Finance. BBMP Chief Commissioner Tushar Girinath has confirmed that Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar will be present at the budget announcement. The Karnataka state budget has allocated 7,000 crore rupees to BBMP, while the municipal budget is expected to exceed 15,000 crore rupees. This year's budget will prioritize Bengaluru's infrastructure with a strong focus on stormwater drains to prevent urban flooding, healthcare sector improvements to enhance public health services, road repairs and pothole filling for better connectivity, electricity provision and drinking water supply for improved urban amenities, white topping of roads to ensure long-term durability. The budget is expected to allocate less funding to education as the state government has taken over BBMP-run schools and PU colleges. This move has raised concerns about the future of municipal education programs. BBMP has reported a property tax collection of 4,604 crore rupees for the fiscal year 2024-25, achieving 88.36% of its 5,210 crore rupees target. Additionally, the e-Khata initiative launched in October 2024 has successfully issued 2.25 lakh electronic property documents, making property ownership records more accessible and transparent.